We're in Clawson, where some say this has the best pot pies in the entire state of Michigan.
Let's find out.
Welcome to Great Lakes Pot Pies, one of the most famous pie places in Michigan specialized in homemade pies, which they distribute over 700 locations all across America.
We stopped by the homie Nathan's Gym right across from Great Lakes Pot Pies to try these pie crusts.
Give me that shit.
He's gonna try out this cinnamon sugar pie. I haven't tried it before, so I want you to try it first so I don't die. You gotta leave something for me, man. You just took the whole thing. I was thinking about one.
Look at that there.
Hell yeah.